Understanding the chemical properties of acids and bases. Acids and bases in the laboratory. Pour the solution of hydrochloric acid on 4 watch glasses. Then add red litmus solution, blue litmus solution, phenolphthalein solution, and methyl orange solution to these 4 watch glasses respectively. Red litmus solution does not change color. Blue litmus turns red. The solution becomes colorless in a watch glass coated with phenolphthalein, while the solution turns red in a watch glass coated with methyl orange. Similarly, adding these 4 indicators to a watch glass with a solution of sodium hydroxide, the solution of red litmus turns blue. Blue litmus solution does not change color. The color of the solution turns pink in a watch glass coated with phenolphthalein, and the solution in the methyl orange tipped watch glass turns yellow. Changes adding indicator to different solution. These indicators tell us whether a substance is acidic or basic by change in color. There are some substances whose odor changes in acidic or basic media. These are called olfactory indicators. Vanilla, onion, and clove can be used as olfactory indicators.